In this guide, I'll walk you through how to connect a domain from Squarespace to your Shopify store. The process is straightforward, and I'll show you exactly what to do step by step. First, go to your Squarespace account and locate your domain. Once you've identified the domain you want to connect, head over to your Shopify dashboard. In Shopify, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings, then select Domains. This will take you to the Domains page. Click on Connect Existing Domain. Now go back to Squarespace's domain, copy the domain name, paste it into the input field in Shopify, and click Next. Next, return to Squarespace and open your domain settings. Click on DNS. You'll see the default DNS records there. Delete the existing default DNS records by clicking the trash can icon and confirming the deletion. Once it shows that there are no custom records, click Add Record. Set the type to a record. Set the host to @ In the data field, enter Shopify's IP address 23.227.38.65. Click Save. Now add a second record. Click Add Record. Set the type to CNAME. Set the host to www. In the data field, enter shops.myshopify.com. Click Save. After adding both records, go back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Once verified, your domain will appear in your Shopify domains list. You may see a message that the SSL is pending. This is normal and can take a few hours to generate. If you see that notice, just give it some time. And that's it. Your Squarespace domain should now be connected to your Shopify store. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share your feedback, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.